Here we have a 65 plate BMW 420d xDrive M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the interior comfort package. We also have the 19-inch M double spoke alloy wheels, finished in gloss black, all in excellent condition. We have the blue metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front kinder grills. As a look at the front end, we also have the M Performance Kit, which includes gloss black front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, yet again unmarked. Taking a step back, you find we have the side skirt extensions, we have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, with the shark fin antennae up top. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. And round to the rear, you find we have the twin pipe exhaust with the rear diffuser. There's a look at the back end. Back around to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. Again at the front, the full leather interior, both the front seats are heated, also electrically adjustable. We have the memory functions just there as well. We have the blue trim on the doors, the electric windows with child lock for the rear, electric mirrors as well. We have the automatic lights and the automatic wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel. If you take a seat inside, you find we have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. We have the dashboard in front of us. We also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, which has the likes of the sat nav. We have all the shortcuts down here, so the phone connectivity, a range of media, the DAB radio, the climate control down here, heated seat buttons either side, ice cold air conditioning as well. We have the 6-speed manual gearbox, all the different drive modes just down there, the parking sensors button, traction control button as well. We have the manual handbrake, nice little leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 65 plate BMW 420d xDrive M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. So as you can see, I'm having to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the cruise control and the speed limiter on the left hand side. We have the volume buttons on the right. We also have a digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, which can display different bits of information, such as the miles left in the fuel tank. We also have the MPG information as well. We have the full leather seats in this vehicle for the front and also for the back. Both the front seats are heated and also electrically adjustable. The driver's side has the memory functions. We do also have the main screen in the centre console, which has the likes of the sat nav, which is currently getting displayed. We also have the DAB radio. We have the Bluetooth phone and media. We also have plenty of other options as well. We have the different drive modes. Further down from there, you find we have the climate control with the ice cold air conditioning, the dual zone climate control. We have the 6-speed manual gearbox. Now here at Car Sales, we do pride ourselves on having over 500 5-star reviews across Google and Trustpilot. We're about to come up to the industrial park now, where we take a right hand turn. When I'm on the industrial park, we'll perform an emergency stop. I'll count down from 3, perform an emergency stop and put the car into reverse, just to show you that the parking sensors work just as they should do and will appear just here on the screen. So we've got the right indicator on, letting the traffic pass and then turning onto the industrial park. Performing an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1, hard onto the brakes, and then if we put the car into reverse, we have the parking sensors appear just there on the screen. Back into first with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all of your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all of your unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today. Cheers.